pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good day, dragons. Weather today's going to be sunny with a high of 22 degrees. Crikey, that's cold.
There's no birthdays today.
On this day in history, January 11th, 1838, the first public demonstration of the telegraph was sent using dots and dashes in Morristown, New Jersey by Samuel Morse and Alfred Vail.
And now let us recite the Dugan Kids for Character Pledge. We pledge to be kids for character. We will be worthy of trust. We will be respectful and responsible, doing what we must. We will always act with fairness. We will show that we care. We will be good citizens and always do our share.
Well, Dugan, that's a wrap. Tune in tomorrow for more daily announcements. DNN, signing off.